You need to watch this if you struggle with making extra cash. Here's how you can earn $500 daily with Faceless.video. First things first, head over to Faceless.video and create your free account. Easy peasy, right? Next, explore the endless video templates ready for you to customize. No design skills needed. Phew. Now pick a trending topic. Think how-to videos, product reviews, or even funny cat compilations. Whatever floats your boat. Start adding your content. Use text, images, and voiceovers to create engaging video. Remember, keep it snappy and fun. Upload your masterpiece to YouTube and other social platforms. More platforms, more views, more dollars. Monetize your videos with ads and affiliate links. Cha-ching. Watch those earnings roll in. Last but not least, stay consistent. The more content you create, the more you earn. Rinse and repeat, and you're on your way to $500 a day. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Faceless.video and start your journey to financial freedom today.